Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HTTP to HTTPS redirects for affiliate tracking step by step clearly. In this video, we will walk through the process of restoring HTTP to HTTPS redirects for affiliate tracking. First, ensure you have access to your website's hosting panel or file manager. Open the file manager and locate the .taxs file in the root directory of your website. Before making any changes, create a backup of your .taxs file. Open the .taxs file in a text editor. To set up the redirect, add the following code at the start of the file. This code checks if the connection is not secure. If the connection is not secure, it will redirect all traffic to the HTTPS version of your site. Now, let's implement the redirect code. Type rewrite engine on to enable the rewrite engine. Next, add rewrite_% HTTPS off to check if the HTTP version is being accessed. Then, append rewrite rule $.*HTTPS %, HTTP_host /$1 or equals 301EL to redirect to the HTTPS version. Save the changes and close the text editor. Next, refresh your website to check if the redirect works correctly. Test the HTTP version of your site in your browser. It should automatically redirect to the HTTPS version. Now, check your affiliate tracking links to ensure they are functioning properly. If the redirects are not working, review the .taxs file for any syntax errors. Make sure that you have not missed any lines or added extra spaces. After confirming the redirects work, monitor your website's analytics. This will help you track whether the redirects are impacting your affiliate sales positively. By following these steps, you can successfully restore HTTP to HTTPS redirects for affiliate tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.